we are going to check the Facebook watch history. Please, before you continue, press the like button and subscribe for more tech videos. We need to place on the three lines here. Then go to settings and privacy. Click on settings. Then scroll down until you get activity log. Then place on your Facebook activity. Then go to posts, then manage posts. Then here you are going to filter the category. We want to see the Facebook watch history. Here we'll have to click on videos you've watched. Place there. Here is the list of the videos I've watched. This is the Facebook watch history. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.